Hi everyone, this is practice summative of chapter 4, paper 1, question number 3. So a committee of 7 students is selected from 7 male students and 10 female students. When we see the keyword a committee, so combination should come in place, okay, most of the time. So over here we have 7 male students and 10 female students, and out of this pool we have to choose 7 students. So find the number of ways the committee can be formed when there are no conditions imposed, which means our n is 17. So out of 17, we choose any of the 7. So let's key in using the calculator. So we have 17, C7, 19,448 ways. 19,448 ways. Okay, we found the answer for part A. Next, let's go to part B. There are 3 male students and 4 female students. So it's more specific. So 3 male students. So out of 7 male, we choose 3 male. So 7 choose 3, followed by 10 female, we choose 4. Okay, so with that, let's key in the calculator 7C3, 7C3 followed by 10C4, 10C4. Okay, so we have 7,350 ways, 7,350 ways to choose the committee member. Next, part C. The number of female students must be more than the number of male students. Okay, we have female must be more than male. Part C, female must be more than male. And the committee consists of 7 members. So we have 4 female, 3 male. Or 5 female, and 2 male. And then 6 female, 1 male. Okay, let's double check. The number of female students must be more than the number of male students. So there must be a comparison. We start here. These are the 3 scenarios. We should not go for 7 female but 0 male. There will be no comparison. So there is a comparison element here. So we must keep the male in so that the female is always more than the male. So in this case, out of the 7 male, we choose 3, and out of the 10 female, we choose 4. Okay, and then we plus 7 male, we choose 2, and out of the 10 female, we choose 5, followed by 7 male, we choose 1. Out of the 10 female, we choose 6. Okay, the first part we already found in B, so that is 7,350 plus 7C2 override 10C5. The R values for both add up must give us 7, yeah? 5292, 5,292. And then next we have 7C1 times with 10C6. 1470. Let's add these 3 together. We have 7350 plus 5292 plus the last answer 1,470, 14,112. 14,112 ways to form the committee. Okay, that's it for question number 3.